welcome to another video on Stan's Auto Repair. Today, going over the gas cap. This is the original gas cap off of my 2011 Chevy Cruze. Okay, now let me get my finger out the way. If I'd have thought about it, I would have recorded what it looked like before, but you could probably look at your gas cap and you'll know what I'm talking about. Now, what I've done is I went and bought a cheap gas cap. Let's see. Yeah. $25.99 is what it cost me. And that is the fuel cap and with tether. Now I kept my old one because I knew one day I was going to clean it, and I just now remembered it because I bought this gas cap 10 of 23. So now this is hot water. And if you look closely, you can see a bunch of black stuff floating in it. That's just buildup. Now, imagine this is green. But when I took it off the gas cap, it was black. I didn't even know this was actually green. And inside here was all caked with debris and dirt. So this couldn't even seal, and it was a little hard. And what the hot water does is it will soften up the rubber. And now see, this rubber's good. I'm flexing it. There's no cracks. So now I'm going to let that set out to dry. And I ended up using Dawn dish soap to clean it. That really got it off good. And just a scrub brush. If you got an old toothbrush, that would help a lot. You could definitely get inside there a lot better than I did. And then also inside here. This black residue, that's not, I can't get that off. But down inside there, where the vent is, it was all full of debris, like little black pieces. With my spray nozzle and some tapping and some Dawn soap, I was able to get everything I could see out. So now I'm just letting this dry, and then, you know, just shake it real good so you can get the water out. And once this is dry, I'm gonna also put it back on, because this one has created a large evap leak code. It's not a good replacement, but it's better than nothing until you can get this done. Now, if my air compressor wasn't broke, I could blow everything out with, you know, that would help even more, is getting an air compressor in there and just blowing this out. But I don't, mine's broke, so I can't do that. So that is a pretty good trick to clean your OEM fuel cap or petrol cap, whichever one you want to call it. And, you know, don't use any harsh chemicals on this. I just used the Dawn soap and the hot water because I'm not for sure if any like carb cleaner or anything. I think it might just eat this up, because you want to keep this pliable, because that's what actually seals. You know, this right here, this really didn't even push in because there's so much debris in there, so this wasn't even moving. Now I got it freely moving again. So you can rebuild your thing. Now, if this is completely destroyed, you might be able to find a good one off of a junk Cruze in the junkyard. Go ahead and get that off. What you can use to get that out, I'll show you. Or at least I'll attempt to show you. A pick like this, you can get a set of picks like this at Harbor Freight, and that's how you would get your O-ring out. All right, y'all. Cluttered mess. I need to organize that. But when the door's shut, you don't know it's a mess. But anyways, that's what you do to get your fuel cap functioning again. All right, thank you all for watching. And remember, like, subscribe, comment below, share the video if it helps.